Sorry, I'm being mean to my dog. Making so much noise. There we go. I want it to be here. And go away. Okay. I'm letting things just figure things out. There we go. Boom and a boom. Cool. Let's see how today goes. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's just see how today goes. If I see that my mindset isn't correct, I don't know. Let's see, I might not even take any trades today, and that's, you know, it's not the end of the world. It is what it is. I'm just making sure, yes, my mic is working. Sorry, sometimes it has moments and it decides, nah, why would we do that? But we are ready. Sorry, I know I'm a little bit early today, actually. I know it's weird for me. I may or may not have slept really badly last night. I didn't think coffee was gonna do it today, to be fair. So here we are. We're just gonna go with it. Let's see what happens. This was a very nice retest. Bounced off this rejection zone. Well, that's the block I drew there. I think I'm calling it a rejection zone. Would have come in. The only problem is how well it's respecting the rejection zone. To be fair, a few of these looked really good. Damn. Oh, that would have gotten me. Never mind. How about here? So that wouldn't have worked. This, ooh, this looks promising. Nope, if I maybe don't do that. Oh, I don't think it would have got me. Oh my gosh, it wouldn't have gotten me. High life. I don't normally drink it, actually. It's just, can you tell by my face? It's been a rough week. And it's already Wednesday. I mean, I was saying this yesterday, so you can imagine. It's been a rough week. Plasma? No. Hey, David, how are you? Arrest, what game is this? The game of life. No, I'm joking. No. What? I don't know what that is. I was just actually having a look. That would have missed tag me in. That would have sucked. If I followed up there. This would have been a winner, just would have taken ages. That's why I don't really trade ages. I mean, look at the VWAP. It is literally a straight line. This, I think, would have been a win. Let's check this out. Do you call it Asia session or Tokyo session? Doesn't matter. Oh, David, is it your birthday? Oh my gosh, happy birthday to David. Happy birthday. Alright, I agree. Why do you think I have horses and I'm starting to learn how to surf? I say that, I haven't actually gotten on a surfboard yet. I'm wanting to learn how to surf. To be fair, it's not my fault I haven't gone surfing. The weather's been shocking. Like, yesterday, boiling. Boiling. I couldn't even work the, like, I couldn't even work the horses, it was so hot. Today, it's raining. Coastal weather. Shout out for Angela. Who's that? David? That's not old. I'm catching up to you, bud. I'm catching up. Is it also your birthday? your birthday's next year. Oh, there we go. Please sing for your birthday, guys. I don't think you guys want to hear this. Ares, do you surf? Are you a surfer? I feel like there is an excuse if, number one, you actually have a little bit of a fear of the ocean. I'm still doing it because I like to get over my fears. And two, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. But to start in not great, it's not great. R&R? Where? Oh! Beatrice, sorry, the lighting's weird today because everything's dark. It was your birthday 9 days ago. Happy birthday. Or 9 days ago. Happy belated birthday. That's the correct way of saying things. Roshan, hey, what up? How's everyone doing? Karash, you have zero knowledge about trading and marketing. That's okay. David, it's your Are you serious? She was born the day after your birthday? Oh, that is adorable. And she's 2, damn. She must be so small. Algorithms of YouTube, bless the viewers. Sending me insurance. Okay, thanks. Oh, Roshan, I'm so far. I had a really... If I'm being honest with myself and with you guys, right? I try to be as honest as possible. Yesterday was a red day, very much. I shouldn't have traded. Purely just because my brain was not... my mindset was not correct. I shouldn't have traded yesterday. That's a little bit of a rookie mistake. You know, sometimes I feel like I need to pass through. Nope, that's not it. Push through it. Yeah, mistakes were made. There's no point trying to push through it. So that was on me. I wasn't seeing anything. My mindset wasn't there, so I got screwed. Max, what up? You don't surf the ocean and scare. Hell yeah, it is, Aries. You got donate? What? What's happening? Venus, what's my side? What? I feel like that could mean a lot of things. Oh, Beatrice, that is awesome. I'm sure that was your mother's favorite birthday gift ever. Sean, hi. Where did I learn how to trade playing Pokemon cards? No. Funny, but no. I wish. I have some Pokemon cards. I just don't think they're any good. Sorry. Do you see you tapped into the little nerd part of me over there. So actually I have a friend that trades, and I was basically bitterly complaining one day about how I would like freedom from having a boss and, you know, financial freedom, and then they introduced me to trading, and here I am, and I can't get enough of it. So yeah. Damn, David, are you guys just like a tight-knit little circle of besties? That is so cool. Hilton, but what's wrong? What are you asking? What's wrong? Yes, you can. You can ask me a question. Max, I think I said hi to you. Oh, okay, cool. I saw yesterday was actually a red day, not for everyone, but for a few people. Even people that sometimes don't have red days. So, like I said, it made me feel a little bit better, but... Oh, okay, enjoy, Beatrice. Cheers, cheers. Yeah, I gotta... Just be real, I shouldn't have traded purely because of mindset. The mindset is hard, guys. It really is hard, and sometimes you think you've got it and then you're like, nope, I don't. Solly, hey, how are you? Max, that's also true. I've heard a few people say it's just not ideal to be trading with all the rubbish going on in the world, but it is what it is. Roynik, yes, I am from South Africa. I am South Africa, nice. Maya's gonna be in the movie Wall Street 3. She's gonna beat... Ah, Aries, that is amazing. That would be brilliant. Abhishek, how am I live again? I am live every day except for weekends. I'm here. Solly, no, but that's it, right? Oh, of course I do. R2. RDR2, how are you? Oh, Trilo, I haven't even been trading for a year yet. I've only been trading since April. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I just want to listen to this voice note. It seems important. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Do I watch cricket? I don't watch cricket. Sorry, I don't. RDR2, I'm good, I can't complain. Oh, nice. Okay, what time is it for you, RDR2? Wow, there are such different people in the world because so many people love the music in the background, just now. Reinik, I trade futures. I saw that. I saw your message. Hey, Tech3, where have you been? I've been the whole time. Thank heavens I wasn't in a trade. I know some people were. Though, to be fair, some people were actually short in that trade, so they were super chuffed. Maybe like a little plump rodent. Okay. I mean, theoretically, a capybara is a rodent. I'm just saying. So, yeah, you're right. I would love to have a capybara. RDR2, go to sleep? Oh my gosh. The Thunderbolt, hi, no. And I only have the one account. I'm still new, and I'm still figuring things out. Like I said, I'm not here trying to claim that I am great at this. Especially after yesterday. Yesterday was shocking, but... You know, it's a journey. It's a process. Right, no, I don't trade gold. I've heard it's been really fun to trade recently, though. Hey, see, Solly loves the music. It tickles his brain. Yeah, be sorry. My elevator DJ skills are amazing. Oh yeah, Abhishek, I've seen plenty of black numbers. I actually saw a snake the other day. But it was a green bush snake. It was very cute. I took a video of it. Oh, nice. You are. That's so cool. I'm asking that, have you created your own strategy and how many years it took? Charlie, again, not years. I've only been trading since April. I'm very new. But yes, I do have my own little strategy. It needs improvement. I need to tweak it a little bit. It needs to be better. That sounds bad, but it needs to be better. Hey, JP11, how are you? Ken, you think dump it? Is it because of this high resistance zone that it's rejecting off of? Is that why you think dump it? Is that your reasoning? Just for the lols. Ken, no. I was looking, like I said, I don't think I would take this because this is just Chop City going on over here. Interesting. Gold's a bit difficult. Okay, why do you say it's difficult though? What makes it difficult? Just out of curiosity. You test that strat over large enough sample size? Yes. Tech 3, still with the Nasdaq futures, the micros. Hey, Ed Farms, you're back asking about your poor wife. Chance Cotter, how old do you think I am? And no, I'm from South Africa. Scalper, what up? How you doing? How you doing? No, that's okay. Okay, 25, 100, and then a potential for a drop. Okay, okay. Let's see, I mean, there is a bunch of liquidity over there. So, possible. Oh, thanks for subscribing, John C. and Sabari. Chance, ooh, a noise. Yeah, I'm turning 27 soon. Yeah. Gold is great at the moment. All you do is hit the bid. I mean, yeah. And Clorox, you think silver price is gonna go up again? Ken, what's the goal here? Right now I'm just waiting. Sweet and simply, I'm just waiting. Here is, yep. The Richie man, how you doing? How you doing? Yeah. Okay, yeah, sure. You can lie about that, I guess. High income is demoted. Yeah, well, you know, just comfortable income, I guess. Tech 3, have you ever tried the Nasdaq futures? What do you think about it? Remember, folks, buy high and sell low. Ken, how long have you been trading for? Lego price is going mad too. Yeah. Charles, no positions yet. Sorry. I was looking at this, but yeah, this looks a little bit too choppy. This resistance zone's a little bit hectic right now. Ooh, Charles, really? But if it's at all-time highs, don't you just keep with the trend? Just keep going higher until it's not, I guess. I don't know. You're welcome. You're welcome. Take 3, leverage always wrecked you. Ooh, yeah. Leverage is scary. Trading for 0 buds. I mean, to be fair, Ken, that's what I say about horses. It was my dad's favorite joke when I was growing up. He was like, how do you become a millionaire when you own horses? And I was like, oh, how? He's like, start out as a billionaire. And I was like, that was rude. He's not wrong, but it's rude. Mickey, what up? How you doing? Yeah, 100%, Charles. 100%. It can go either direction. Yeah, but yeah. But seeming as it's climbing back up again, if everyone held, I don't know. Let's see, this looks like it's slowly headed up there. It's respecting this resistance level properly though, so it's a bit tricky to say. Chance? What? Trading? Is that what you're asking? Oh, Chance, sorry, I missed your message. You always thought South Africans were somewhat similar to Australians. Is that wrong? I don't really know. Apparently a lot of people think I am Australian, so no. I'm assuming we're similar in some ways, I guess. You stick to spot now, trading volatile. Oh, that's valid. Chance, trading in general. Yes and no. Yes and no. I feel like gambling is just pure luck. I guess it depends on what you're doing with the gambling. But this actually has to do with statistics and pattern and math and like there's a lot that goes into it. So in some ways, yes, because you can have everything, you can have it perfectly and it can still go against you. But in other ways, no, because sometimes you just have it perfectly and it respects it properly. That's just from what I've seen. But a lot of the time it does actually listen or go in the direction you think it's going to go. There we go. I love that. I love that. That's a plan. Let's go for it. I think you need to pitch that movie. I think let's do it. I like it. I like it a lot. Really? Interesting. Trade to make money for long. Yeah, exactly. No. It's like, I love this saying. I love the saying. It goes, yeah, I'm super. No, wait, I'm gonna butcher the saying now. Watch. Oh, it goes, it's funny. The more I practice, the luckier I get. Basically, practice makes, I'm not gonna say perfect because there's no such thing as perfect, but practice makes progress, right? I think it was a golfer that actually said that, but yeah. Because I think a lot of people used to call him lucky, and he was like, yeah, it's really funny. The more I practice, the luckier I get. But yeah. Tom, do I do this for full time? Basically. Oh, damn. Ken, your first trading experience was with Bitcoin. That's a bit scary, yeah. There we go, Scalper. Think, why? What is it? What is it that I do that makes me not Australian? Clorks, I was smart. Noise. Being gambling. Hi, live. I don't think there's such thing as perfect. Do you? Errors, you're full of rubbish. Back in 2020. Oh, is that when you? Oh, damn. Tom, can anyone do this? Yeah, I think so. I think anyone can do this if they're willing to put the effort in. Chance, Cottle, to be fair, so am I. I just know my futures right now. My bad. My bad, High Life. I'm sorry, you are correct. You are perfect, but you're just the exception. Okay, you're not the rule, you're the exception, okay. You need some capital. Let's say if you start, especially when it comes to like prop firms, let's say you need, give yourself like $70, maybe a little bit, no, give yourself $200. Like I said, that's just to get a prop firm and just to slowly start. Chris, am I real? Why? Yes? What do you mean, am I real? Carlos, you're studying non-stop learning options trading. Okay, and have you started trading on the market yet, or paper trading, or yeah, have you done any back testing, or you just still reading up about it? Andrea, I don't know what that is, but anyways. Wolfie, what up? How are you? I feel like I missed something. Hey, Lily, how long have I been on? Like 20, 25 minutes. Not that long. Hey, Jordy, how you doing? How you doing? Crypto Giant? Yep. Tom, from starting off, have I gained more than losses? No. Like I said, I'm still very new. It took me a while to find a strategy that I enjoyed, and obviously in that process, disaster. And even this strategy, it's good, don't get me wrong. I just need to execute it better, and there are some tweaks that could be made to it, so it's not the best strategy yet. It's not a bad strategy, but it's not the best strategy yet. I mean, this would have potentially just ticked me out, so theoretically this actually would have been a winning trade. Awesome. Is it going to actually ever break this resistance? I don't know. Oh, that's okay, Daddy. That's fine. Thanks for hopping on at least. I've missed you. It's been a while. At least we can chat in Discord now. Scalper, I do. Not hectic amounts, but I do. I do. Luckily, I'm really good at saving. So I have capital. Like I said, when you start trading, I think maybe I should have mentioned this. When you start trading, have money you feel comfortable losing, right? I think that's how you start. Have money you feel comfortable losing so that you don't... I feel like then it's gambling. Then you're just throwing everything you have in on it, and if you lose, you are screwed. But if you have the capital that you're like, if I lose, it is, you know, it is what it is, then it's fine. Brian Black, hey, how are you? If you watch people profit, you'll never be profitable. Crypto Giant, explain, please. Carlos, I mean, I don't really know. I want to say yes just because I've been told, but like I said, I only started trading this year, so I think I've only known the market to be problematic. So I guess for me it's pretty normal. But I think for people that have been trading for years, they're like, nah, this is not good. Mickey, can you ask how Journey to Learn ICT? Have I watched all those movies? I haven't watched all of them because they can be overwhelming and a bit of an information overload. But I watched some, you know, studied a little bit of the concepts. I took what I understood from it without getting overwhelmed, and I used those. I hope that makes sense. When start saving money, I might get into this. Thank you for the advice of experience. Ah, Tom, you're welcome. Yeah, like I said, I think main thing, have money you feel fine with potentially losing. Zane, what up? How's it going? How was yesterday for you? Ooh, okay, Michael. High life, life work keeps you young. Does it? Or does it make you grow older quicker? Take 3 DCA money. Sit back, patience. Okay, take 3. It's not 99% of traders stop before they hit the big one. I can believe that. I can believe that. I understand why as well. This is tough. This is not easy. I think people who don't trade have the misconception that traders are lazy and they want the easy way out. I used to think that. And still until I started doing this. Now I'm going, oh my gosh, this is a lot. This is a lot. Scalper, good, yes. The long game pays off. Go live your life instead of sitting in front of a screen for years. Deadwolf? I've never asked how old you are. We did manage to catch some of that dump, but as always, you can't stay short for long and... yeah. Important babies? No? How about no? Carlos, what are my trading tactics? So yes, liquidity sweeps are... Okay, maybe let me not say tactics. I watch out for liquidity sweeps as a potential magnet for where direction might be headed. I use fair value gaps. I use order blocks. So I have a bunch of complemences. I use VWAP, kind of. Market structure, I guess, is the main one. Trade just means swap. I mean, yeah, actually, not wrong. What pair? I'm not watching a pair. I'm watching the Nasdaq futures. Zane, really? You're still bearish for a couple more days? Why? High life. Cool. Okay, keep my mouth shut. When I buy any item that I always hold for many days, to a week, to a month, or longer, I'll try it. 60. Okay. Deadwolf, you got the voice of an angel. I'm an age that's been sitting, staring. I'm sure. Trader Rensler, how you doing? How's it going? Oh, thanks, Carlos. You're amazing. To be fair, I don't know if anything's going to happen right now. This is such a heavy rejection zone. I wonder if this is going to start dumping. But either way, I'm waiting for movement. So guys, I have a question, right? I have a question. Number one, I don't know if you can hear my dog snoring. Just saying. Jack, that's weird as hell. Anyways. Carlos, good night. Enjoy. Pepito, hi. How are you? Hooray, hi, how's it going? Yeah, Carlos, hectically, and it's rejecting off of it properly. I mean, check it, rejected off of it here. This zone is quite intense. Oh my gosh, you were so loud. Sleep quietly. Bonjour, how are you doing, 350? Do I use trend lines? Nah, not really. I wanted to say something, I forgot what I wanted to say. I forgot what I wanted to say, so I guess it's fine. Oh, young for a beat, you're getting ready to go to sleep. That's okay. That's okay. Let's see, guys. It might not be the longest stream today. I have a bit of a busy day today, so I might hop off a little bit early today. Let's see if anything pops up. If I don't trade today, it's not the end of the world, because I might even need a few days just to readjust my brain. Like I said, yesterday mentally was not good. Yeah, mentally was not good for me yesterday with regards to the trading. Oh, Carlos, you're very, very sweet. So, you know, to maybe take a few days where I don't place a trade, I don't mind. I kind of just wanted to hop on and chat to you guys and have a bit of a see of what you guys thought of the market. What? Young Furves, you just took your first trade for the week, up 60. Nice! Exactly right, Carlos. If you're not trading for a specific reason... Kenny G? Wouldn't you like to know? Then it's fine. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to hop on, see what was happening. I mean, this is not ideal for me to be trading anyways, so I'll probably hang around for another, say, 30 minutes. Hey Skeletor, how you doing? Welcome back with your jokes. They always make my day. Young, really? Damn. What was your setup? What was the perfect setup for you? Pepito. Oh, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Let me scroll up to the very beginning. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? I sent it. I don't know if you can see it. Trader Renz, you good and excited? That's good though. Hey, Bugsy Malone, how you doing? So have you ever traded anything before, Bugsy? Sorry. Every time I read POC, I'm not gonna say what I read in my head. Reds, hi. That's what I wanted to ask. Okay. Oh, Rensler, awesome. I will come help you now. I wanted to ask a question. BOS, so break of structure, right? And I don't know how you say it. Is it CHOCH? So change of character. Are they the same? Sorry, I know this might be a very dumb question. I'm just curious because I read this and I, you know, maybe my misconception. Maybe it's my misconception. I always thought a BOS, a break of structure, was that it was bullish and now it broke structure and it's bearish. But I read something and it sounds like it's the other way around. The change of character is it's now shifted from bullish to bearish. And the break of structure is just that it's broken the highs and it's continuing. Is that right? Have I been just saying it wrong the whole time? Carlos, bigger chart, what do you want to see? Like, just zoom out a little bit? Like that? Sorry, I'll just turn this off. Nope, not that one. Wrong one. I'll turn all that off so it doesn't look so messy. Bugsy, oh, never in your life. Cool. Why do you want to start trading? Ooh, okay, young fruit beats. Okay, let's see. Scalper, you're so funny. Okay. Thanks, LP. Yeah, okay. Then I've been saying it wrong. I always thought BOS, or break of structure, was that the structure was broken. But now I get it. Okay, thanks guys. Thank you. Sorry if it was a bit of a dumb question. Reeves? Not much is happening, to be fair. We're just chin-chilling right now, waiting for it to either decide that it's rejecting properly off of this level. Sorry, I had the level marked out there. Or it's gonna decide to break the structure above. Sorry. Oh, thanks, Carla. Thank you. 8774, also thank you. Give me 2 seconds again. Shoot. Sorry. Anthony, SMF was a... Okay. Carlos, I haven't. What chart is this for? This is the micro Nasdaq futures. So the Nasdaq futures. This is it. You are welcome. Sorry, I'm being quiet now. No one judge me. No one judge me. It's been a hectic week. I'm sorry. Tuesday earnings like banks have two sold off ICT. Interesting. Okay. Out of curiosity, is anyone in a trade right now? And how is it going? Or is everyone kind of waiting for this? I call it a flat line. So it just looks like it's flatlining. Is everyone also just waiting for this to break? Tech 3, I said don't judge. Well, so we're selling NAS, or I don't know. I want to say yes because of how hectically it's rejecting off of this area. That's just what I think. I think it could be a sell because of this absolute ridiculous rejection going on here. But I'm gonna wait for it. Can you lose more money than you put in futures? Yes. Marzia, what up? How you doing? Young Probe, you're in platinum longs, but it's a paper trade. Ooh, okay. And how's it looking? And VIX is up? I heard VIX was up yesterday. Damn, Skeletor coming with the real talks right there. I know. Tech 3, I get it, I know. Is it below 200 or what? Hey Kai, I'm from South Africa. Young for a beat, you're taking profit when you wake up. Noise. Low, yo, what up? Carlos, awesome. Marzia, you think so? You think it's gonna be an uptrend? Boosted, yes, we got a problem. What up, Fulkers? How you doing? Moving average. Still a little scared of futures. Why is that? Why is that? Let's check the 15-minute. Sorry. Right, Carlos, that's the thing. The fair value gap, it's hectic support zone and a hectic rejection zone. So it's literally just, what's it called? It's not a ping pong ball. What's it? What was that game that we had when we were kids? I completely forgot what it's called. Do you guys remember? What? Hey, Tony, how you doing? Hey, yes, you lost badly yesterday. Okay, cool. It seems a few of us lost. I also lost yesterday, also quite badly, so it's fine. Side trading. Oh, really, Focus? I feel meh. Massive dump Tokyo session today. Really? Oh, yes. I'm sorry. Why am I saying really? Right there. Adoy. No, not right there. No, wait, what? No, this was not Tokyo. This was... Let's go back here. Isn't slowly just been climbing? When was this dump? Yeah, no, this dump was still during New York. I mean, a little dump there. Tapped into VWAP and now it's just slowly going up, up and away. Don't like how that looks. What have I done? I don't like how it looks. Ah! There we go. Pinball! Thank you, Solly. Pinball, a pinball machine. That was gonna bug me. Thank you. A little space bar in the bulkhead. Yeah, that's it, Carlos. Bounty Rush. How are you? Focus. Yeah, that's it. If you like Swamp, that's pretty accurate. I like that. Oh, young babies. Oh. Very. Okay. Sorry. Seaman? Why? Tony. Oh, sorry. You don't know. You don't know what I'm talking about? Oh, okay. Carlos, no, I don't. Sorry. Honeybee, how's it going today? I mean, it's not really, is it? I don't think you can call this moving. This is just... Yeah, this is just... What time frame was I on earlier? I wasn't even on the flipping 1 minute earlier. Like an absolute chop. Damn. Say damn. Potentially damn. Let's see. What the heck? Do you see? This is probably why it's not a good idea to trade today. My brain's not here. Would have been a win. This looks like it potentially would have tagged me out. Yep, would have just been stopped out for the win. That would have sucked. This one looks like a goodie. But again, right, don't trade in the chop. Oh. Nope, that would have sucked. Would have either just tagged me out or just hitting my TP. I know. I specifically... Anyways. David, yes, I will. Thanks, David. I had it, it's the wrong link still, right? David, if you want to, you can pop me an email and then I can send it to you personally. Yeah? What do you think? Oh, Carlos, I'm sorry. Maybe just leave it on. Are you watching on your phone? Just leave it on your phone and just slowly fall asleep like that. That's what I tend to do. Oh, there. Thanks, Solly. Thank you. David, is that because it's your birthday and now you're hitting that age? Blindness just comes with age. Microwave. Oh, damn! I haven't looked at ES again. Again, like a freaking chop. I sorted out NQ again, and not ES. Okay, so ES is. Hello, what's up? I got a little puppy here trying to say hi. Well, I say puppy. He's my baby. He's a puppy. He will always be a puppy in my eyes. Just take a note of some of these. Okay. Okay. Pony, yeah. It is usually choppy at this time, but I thought, that might be better. Doubled, how much have I made? Like, today? Or... You need some coffee. You don't choose the mug life chose you. Yeah. Pretty accurate. Oh, respect. Are you talking about the camera angle? It's, yeah, long story. Lucas, what up? How you doing? How's it going? It's touched a trend line. So Marzia, do you think it's gonna keep going? What do you think is gonna happen? Ooh, Adira, Tommy Girl. I love Tommy Girl. It's amazing. Skeletor, do you like Google these? And yeah, do you Google these? And you're just like, yeah, this seems good. This seems like a funny one. Okay, sorry guys, sorry chat. Like I said, I don't know if I'm actually going to be placing any trades today, just mentally not great. Brain not great, but let's see. But definitely forward testing, going to be having a look at some of these things. I want to see what happens. Okay, so Marzia, if you look at the 15 minutes, you think it's going to go up. Scalper, Maya, how bad was last day? Are you asking how bad was yesterday? Tony, I played the game Pac-Man. I have played the game Pac-Man. It is a volume business. They aren't all winners. No, that's fair. Hi guys. Really? You think that's his best yet? Oh gosh. No, that's okay, Marzia. Let's see. It looks like you are correct. It looks like it's potentially going to stop popping up. Pixel Tail, so I mean, market structure, higher volume helps quite a bit. And I try and have at least 3 or 4 complements. So I try to have a value gap, order block, brain malfunctioned there, fair value gap, order block, VWAP sometimes, obviously depending on where VWAP is. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Where VWAP is, and you know, auction market there is a really goodie. Only true trader, what up? How are you? So LP, you said it swept a lot of liquidity, should be going up now. Oh, this is just so sideways. Would be nice if it did go up now. Oh, thanks, Deb. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I guess. 1-to-2 ratio, risk to reward ratio. It almost dropped to a trend line. It keeps testing support. It does. At 870. Okay. Mimi, what up? Oh, Scalper. I think I was down $500 yesterday. Something like that after yesterday. Yeah, like I said, wasn't great. Training or trading? I'm always, well, trying to learn, if that's what you mean. Marshall, what up? Zane, why? I mean, this isn't gonna work. Like I said, it just took a bunch of liquidity. Theoretically, it should start popping up. and it just tapped into this inverse fair value gap right here. So this was wrong. I didn't even look at things. I was just looking at it going down. This theoretically is the correct trade. There we go. Would have tapped in. Let's see. You guys gotta be vigilant. Take notes of everything going on around. Bearish SMT. Ooh, thanks CM. SM. Young for a beat. Thoughts on the market conditions right now? For me, this is not fun. This is just chop city. Yeah, this is not ideal, especially for my strategy. I think some people love this though. Do some people love this? Pixel Tail, you're from the Netherlands. That is so cool. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Do you want to visit the Netherlands one day? Hell yeah. I'd like to visit everywhere, but that do be costing a lot of money. Aw, thank you. I appreciate that. I hope you have a good day too. Nice. David, if you want to see the snake I found, you should go check that out. Buy high, sell low. Yes. Wait, what? Is that right? Is that right? I love tech. You love when it repeats the same pattern like that. Yeah, David, yeah. The other day I picked up my horse's blanket that was chilling on a tree stump, and I looked and I was like, oh, there's a little snake. It was really pretty. It was a nice green snake. It was not a green mamba. I went to go and double check. It was like it's called a bush snake. Quickly see. Green. Okay, I was about to say, I was like, what? Don't be coming and trolling the poor tired person. That's mean. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I was like, what? Hell yeah, BD. Choppy London session. This would have been a goodie. Marzia. Ooh. Here we go. Richie man, no. 1 to 2R would have looked like this. Yeah, there we go. 1 to 2R, right there. That would have been a goodie. I kind of noticed the inverse fair value gap's a little bit too late. Like so, damn. Marzia, you called it. Nicely done. Nicely done. Max? Absolutely not. That's how I would break my neck. 100%. That's true. Thanks, Scalper. Solly, no. What if he actually super chats? I can't do a back flip. My brain. You put a chop indicator on your ninja. Is that a thing? Okay, so now took a bunch. I think it's going to keep climbing up. I can do like the roly-polies where you're on the ground and you just put your head there and you topple over. How about that? I can do that. I can do a headstand. Oh, I'm sorry, Max. I'm sorry. What's my goal to earn every month, week, day or so? Every day, you know what, I'd be happy if I go up. Like I said, I want to start small. I don't want to be greedy. Once I've perfected it, I can start upping the prices. But it would be ideal if I can go up $800 a day. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be awesome. I know it's very much possible, but that would be ideal. I know for some people that's not a lot, but it would be nice to just start there. Okay, are we gonna break through this resistance yet? Maybe not. Is it? Oh, thanks, Pixel. Like I said, that's just like best case scenario. That's best case scenario. Rishi, that would only be theoretically 2 trades at a $200 risk. Yeah. Yeah, if I won 2 trades at a $200 risk. Yes. That would be 800. No. Okay, hit the zone again. Yes, it did, Young Pro Beats. Like I said, well done, Damasio. She called this beautifully. Massive well done to her. I am not Australian. I've heard that now a few times. I'm actually South African. Another one. DJ Khalid. Sorry. That's the thing that popped into my head when you said that. Another one. DJ. Anyways. Moving on. Moving on. Go on then, Scalper. Why, you know, why not? Then, you know. Yeah. 3 winning trades, 2 at a $200 risk and 1 at a $100. Easy peasy, easy cheesy, right? Do you ever try trading stock at 9:30 a.m. when the market... Oh, I do, Rishi. Yeah, I do. I do both. I do London and New York station. Oh, Scalper. Okay, well, at least we have a goal. I like that goal. It's a really good goal. I just need to... Yeah. Sort myself out. What's the word for mate in South Africa? Dude? Bro? G is the new one. What up, G? It used to be dude. Dude used to be the thing to say. Ooh. Pixel Tail? Those are silent trading. I want to know a little bit about the technical side. What do you suggest they learn, watch to get started? I mean, there's a few, but you put me on the spot. Everything's just popped out of my head. So I would say, you know, go check out the ICT stuff and, but I feel that it's quite overwhelming. And then you kind of go, never mind, it's too much for me. You know, so I mean, obviously I'm gonna say this, but I would say watching the stream is a great way. Knox, who's never traded before, he's learned actually probably more than me. Shit. He sits here and he just goes, wow, and he knew less than me when he started watching on this channel, but because there's so many people here that know so much, they really teach you amazing things. I mean, paper trading to really start to see like the fair value gaps and breakup structures, and those are pretty good. But paper trading is not the best way to learn the discipline and the psychological side of things. Ah, Solly. Yeah, actually, Solly nailed it. It's how's it, brew. How did Solly know? It's because you've been chatting to Geordie, right? Yep. Does the candle thing? What do you mean? Scalping, you're so funny. Noise, there we go. Sam, have I taken a shower today? I have. Why? Do I not look like it? Is it gonna reject off of this again? Sam, go swing straight. I can't talk English. Shocker, I turned it off. Is there a thumbnail? I specifically turned it off. I hope there's not a thumbnail. Is there a thumbnail that I don't know about? You know what, Sam? I don't even know. I don't even know what I said. Money Mindset, you're from Pakistan, big love. Please update about gold analysis, please. Money Mindset, I have no idea. Who's trading gold? What do you guys think? Dr. Trade, what up? How are you? Is gold flying? Hey, Laura, how are you doing, by the way? Rishi, how many weeks I've been trading on YouTube now? I've been trading since I started. It's basically like a live journal, if you will. Ah, cool. Laura, hi. You took it 6 months ago. Nice. Am I already earning? I'm not earning yet, no. I'm not earning yet. It took me a while to find a strategy that I enjoyed, so that was fun. Now that I have it, I need to be better with the psychology part of things. So thanks, David. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying this, I'm not gonna say this is trading right now, but it's something. Why can't I paste the affiliate marketing link on my makeup items? My makeup items? What do you mean? Hey! No. Hi, Emmanuel, by the way. Welcome. I'm also South African. Do I trade S&P 500? I do not, but I have it open on the side here because, you know, ES and NQ tend to drive each other. And luckily for once, they're actually similar. Have they just made equal highs? Kind of. Thanks. Sam, what are the things I enjoy other than trading? Oh, horse riding, going to the beach, taking my dog for a walk, doing some exercise, yeah. Basically everything else I do tends to be outside and outdoors to get away from some screen time. High life? Yep. Makeup items, face powder, lipstick, foundation. I mean, to be fair, I don't really wear a lot of that stuff. I wear a little bit of lipstick. Sometimes I wear mascara and a little bit of eyeliner. That's about it. I don't actually wear a lot of makeup. Yeah, I've never been into makeup. So, fun fact. I never wear makeup to the point that at my trick dance, where obviously we've got like professional makeup artist and my classmates didn't recognize me. Literally, they would walk past me. It took someone like over an hour to realize that it was me. That was quite funny. Yeah, that was good fun. David. Is it true African KFC is the best? I don't know. I've never had KFC anywhere else, so I can't really be the proper judge of that one. Pixeltail, you think it's gonna drop? Why? And you're in a buy. Where's your TP at, Emmanuel? Am I? Great. That's good then. I'm not a nun, no. David just likes to call me a nun because of my headbands, and a lot of the times I'm wearing like a black shirt, so I look similar, I guess. David's trying his best to convince everyone that I am one. He's trying his best. Oh, thanks, Albie. Yeah, guys, like I said, if you are having fun just having this little bit of a chit-chat, like I said, I don't think it's ideal for me to trade today, mentally wise. So I'm trying to do the proper thing and do risk management, right? If your head's not in it, don't do it. Not worth it. You're gonna make silly mistakes. Like you saw, I set this one up actually for a short, not even looking and seeing all of this that was going on. That would have been a loss because my head wasn't in it. Which is why I'm here just rather having a chat with you guys. Yeah, basically. I don't need makeup, I do wash my hair. Does it not look like I wash my hair? Tales by Torch. No, I'm not watching gold. I'm watching the Nasdaq futures. Log, you're a scalper. Awesome. Shocker. No, 100%, right? When in doubt, zoom out. And that's exactly... Because I looked at this one and thought, maybe if I'd zoomed out a little bit right here, you can see that that would have been a terrible idea. And now it's hit that resistance level again. Is it going to bounce back down? Hey! Ichiyan, how are you doing? Just trade a dummy small position for effect. For effect. I mean, yeah, I could just put in like one little micro and be like, See what happens. Oh no, why? What's happening there? Oh, I'm glad, I'm glad. Sam, you don't like this profile. What do you mean? On the chart or this? I look like an airplane guiding. What is it called? Is there a proper name for it? The people that are on the runways. I can't even speak English today, but anyways, the people that are on the runways with those little torchies. Thank you! Thank you. Thank you. How far is Namibia? Do you want me to give you like exacts? Sam, you're full of questions today. I love it. I love it. What else do you want to know? Sam, how hot is it usually? Oh, yesterday was hectic. I'm pretty sure yesterday nearly got up to like 30 degrees. It was insanity. But, I mean, today it's a little bit cooler because there's at least some clouds and it rained last night. Like I said, yesterday was so hectic that I couldn't work the horses because they were just standing there sweating. That's how hot it was. Oh, that's okay, Sam. Curiosity is good. Yannick, what up? Of course, Sam. Like I said, curiosity is awesome. I'm all keen. Yeah, Solly, that's fine. LP, you think so? Why? How does gold look right now? So this is a break of structure, right? Did I get it? So one is mine, one I ride for someone else, but she's under my care. But yeah, one is mine. Only one. And that's Finn. What does it get to 40, 50 degrees Celsius there? Damn, guys. I mean, to be fair, I'm waiting for it to do it here. Yeah, the humidity is killer. Here, holy moly. But I came from the Highveld. The humidity here is ridiculous. You can walk and you're like, it's not that hot, and then you can't breathe because of the humidity. It's ridiculous. Yeah, no. So I'm assuming you guys just sit in a pool and it's like that, right? Got a tree. I mean, you joke about the showers, but I did. I then went and I was like, come guys, you're gonna go, and I just sprayed them with water and let them chill like that. Damn, David, that's ridiculous. 55 degrees. Sam, can I say something in my South African language? I mean, this is my South African language, but I hear what you're saying. You're asking for like Afrikaans. Unfortunately, I don't know any of the other language. I mean, is it 12? There's 12 official languages in South Africa. Yeah, there's 12. Lone Wolf, yes, I do. Yannick, what? What happened? What's happening? But, oh, Afrikaans, you know, hoe gaan dit? Hoe gaan dit met yo, damn. English isn't working, Afrikaans isn't working, things just aren't working out today. David, how did you not die? Solly, that was quick. Solly, that was really quick. Ooh, noise focus. Do they ever talk back? Lone Wolf, it's also just teach my trading. Hell yeah, David, do it. Sam, English is ridiculous. Gold is better to trade than NQ. I I've heard, I haven't tried to trade it. I've just heard recently it's been better with regards to respecting things and not being such a diva and not just chip chopping all around. No, I do not, lady. I do not trade Forex, sorry, no. Speaking emojis. I mean, I could be like, we all know what that means. I mean, David, I get that's ridiculous. You can't breathe properly like that. Pixel tail. I'm not sure. Sorry, I don't have thoughts with regards to that, but let's ask chat. Chat, what are your thoughts on XRP for holding long time? Ah, focus. Okay, it's when they start talking back, then I think you should maybe be a little bit concerned. Maybe. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, back. Is the life lonely as a trader? Sorry, I just came back and that's the first question. Damn, that's heavy. I mean, no, because I got you guys, if that makes sense. But I can't like chat to outside people. That sounds bad, but you know, I can't chat to outside people about trading because they don't understand. Or everyone just has the assumption that you're just gambling or you're being dumb or whatever the case may be, but you know, and they don't understand the emotions that go behind it, the frustrations, everything. It's a lot. So if I didn't have you guys, I would say yeah, it's very lonely. Fission, why are all YouTubers talking about investing? Maybe they're just investors. I'm not sure. I never talk about investing. Be fearful when others are greedy. Shopper, do you want to elaborate on that a little bit? Crypto for that matter, although from what I've heard, the topic isn't in Q4 yet. Oh, okay, thank you. Because I keep watching your homework. Solly, that was wow. Solly's quick today, guys. Solly's comebacks are ridiculous. You're holding. You hope it'll cross 300. Ooh, okay, Sam. Thanks, David. Thank you, thank you. I'll go check it out now. My life outside people, yeah. Anderson, this is not a pair. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. And this is on the 1 minute, by the way. No, Sam, no. I started with YouTube, then I started on the other one. Hey, Anderson, what up? Oh, thanks, Shocker. Thank you. Got it. Ozzy, hey, crypto, bro. Hey, what up? How you doing? Except I'm not crypto. Futures, bro. I can be futures, bro. You were 24? Is it dark out there? What do you mean, like outside right now? I mean, it's overcast, I guess. It's quite a little bit dark. Oh my goodness! So I don't think I should tell the story. I'm not gonna tell the story. Fine. Bad idea. There's a South Korean streamer trader. She is wild nuts. Why? In what way? Sam, why don't I trade on crypto? I've just never looked into it. That's basically it. Yeah. Damn. Ooh. The spicy South African nearly came out of me and I nearly made a yo mama joke and I was like, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Shocker, what's up? What's up, Shocker? You watch an episode on her... Okay. In what way is she... wild nuts? It's actually not bad. Damn, okay. Sam, nope. That sounds terrible. Oh my gosh. No, don't worry, Sam. No. Don't worry. Aw, thanks for the sub, by the way. Then 0529900025. Damn. Got it. With a little emoji. See, I can talk in emojis. Going crazy. It's fine. We're okay. Trading on 1 minute, I should be a goddess. Why? David, no, it's really rude. I don't want to say it. I've also kind of forgotten it. It came into my head and I went, nope. And I pushed it back down. I was like, that's mean. Sam, I'm very positive. I try. How's the win rate lately? Kay, it's been shocking. It's why I haven't even placed the trade today. I'm kind of forward testing, taking a little bit of a breather on the mental side, just for a little bit. So I literally actually popped on kind of to watch the charts and do a little bit of forward testing, except it's not great today. I'm not loving how this market looks, but mostly just to chat to you guys. Oh no, don't worry, Avatu? Yeah, don't worry. I don't have that side, I don't think. I get salty, but then I just kind of get a bit quiet and I have a grumpy face, but that's it. Do it, let your intrusive thoughts win. Naskibo, no. Nope, I have not. Caught the wrong end of them, if that counts. Anderson, no, I don't, sorry. Komodo? None? None. I'm on Project X. Sorry, did you see my face? I don't even know what those are. Yeah, but that's exactly it. But that's why I'm not doing a lot of money yet. You know, don't risk it and be dumb. Don't risk more than you have, or else you are asking for trouble. David? That was rough. That was rough. Wow. Wow. That was really good. That was really good. I love that. Oh, yay, Rensla. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Niskibo. Oh, yeah, don't worry. I always have stops. So it's fine. Just been getting stopped out a lot, which is the annoying part. Yeah, that's exactly it, Shocker, right? So I'd much rather come here, have a chat with you guys, discuss some charts. Like I said, I confirmed something that I'd learned and I wanted confirmation on, so it's fine. Okay, David, I kind of want to know your worst one now. You don't even have to put it on the chat if you think it's too bad. You can put it on Discord, and people love to hear it. I can almost guarantee it. No rush. When you have time, you might like the music. There's music? What? What music? Okay, I could just buy here. I mean, you could say I want this would have been a trade. Let's see. I'm still waiting for it to break out of this resistance level. I popped further into it, but it's still holding. Muskibo, are you talking about David? Sorry, no, he was just making a joke. David's cool. Don't worry. Where do you see this chart going? I saw someone use the fib inside the gap between open and close. Rob Freeman. I kind of thought it was gonna dump, but the bulls seem to be holding, so I think it's gonna start popping up. Please don't listen to me. It normally does the opposite, so because I think it's gonna go up, it's probably gonna go down. Just saying. Once took my brother to a rave. Okay. I'm gonna need a minute. Okay. Oh, thanks, Riz. Rizla, you're so funny. Thank you. Interesting, Bob. So what do you do? Hey, Boom, what's up? Patrick, how's it going? I'm already... Yeah. No, I'm gonna upset people. I'm not gonna say it. So, again, Bob, what do you do? I know they're different, obviously, but what do you do? Interesting. 3 weeks to 6 months, isn't that more like swing trading, theoretically? Isn't investing more like months to years? Sly Fox, what up? It's going good. It's going good. Boom. No, okay, I'll type it on Discord for you guys, but I can't say it out loud. I will get cancelled so quickly. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. Thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah. Technically, yeah, Bob, I think so. Not to close the Friday drop. Let's keep it. Okay, so you think it's gonna drop down one last time? Okay, you're shorting? Really? See? Like I said, do the opposite of what I think. Ooh, ES is dropping down, but it's just tapped into that fair value gap. And NQ isn't doing what ES is doing at all. ES is dropping properly, NQ is still holding. Silverbull trader, what up? How are you? David, no more jokes. Okay. HF, I think he's wanting. Good question. Okay, what are you shorting? The futures, I think futures. HF, hi, by the way. What am I doing? Someone teach you. What do you trade? Oh, F Stover, I'm sorry, I missed it. I missed your message. You're doing well in Forex. I've heard Forex is good. Nice. Ethan, hi. HF, you're a gambler. That's not good. I mean, Bob, wouldn't it just be because some people consider this gambling and gambling's a sin or greed, maybe? I don't know, one of those things. Ooh, okay. David, I mean, in a way, but it's not... I don't know, I was having this discussion earlier. Would you call it gambling? Moving on. Work stronger together, yeah. Oh, I mean, oh. Bob, I guess. Need to up 8 years, only 0%, just hold. Hey, Graham, yeah, I call it guesstimation. You're guessing, but it's estimated guessing. Or calculated guessing, I guess. Focus? I've never heard. What? Okay. Focus is good. How, Ethan? I don't think that's right. XRP is a scam coin, Bitcoin is Ethereum, and the only ones that matter. Oh, really? I know some people love XRP. Oh, but isn't that, isn't that what he was saying earlier? It's what Shaka was saying earlier. Careful of what people are raging on about. Focus, that was quick. Oh, David, yeah, probably not a bad idea. Huh. Yeah. Maybe not a bad idea here. Damn, Skibo, you coming here with proper facts. Wow. Hey Fabian, how you doing? How's it been going? I'm not gonna say your name. I'm just gonna call you the inspector. Do you know what banks are the best to set up a high yield savings account? I do not. Guys, anyone? I guess it also depends on where you are, right? Really? I'm not a fan of it, but I appreciate that you like it. Ooh, yeah. Don't you technically gamble your life every time you get in like a car? You don't know what's gonna happen. That makes it sound really dark. Anyways. Marzia, it's too choppy. Yeah, this is not great. This is really not great. I'm curious about something. I'm open to be curious about something. Ooh, not yet. We are close to 4,000, guys. No, Trader Razor, no, don't say that. No, don't say that. We're close to 4,000 subscribers. So when 4,000 hits, I'll pick the top 4 tattoos. Then you guys get to pick out of those 4 tattoos which one I get. And then again, you guys will get to pick. I will pick where. I'll pick like 4 places we could potentially put this tattoo. And then you guys get to choose where I get it. Just saying. So we're nearly there. We're nearly at 4,000. And then it's time. I can't believe I made this deal, but I made this deal. I made the deal that at 5,000 subscribers, I would get a trading tattoo. And you guys got to pick the tattoo. So your suggestions are in. If they are not in, I have a short up basically asking for your suggestions. If you want to put your ring in your hat in the ring. Slide right tattoos, you're out. Oh, damn. Okay, you haven't seen me then before. No, I got tattoos everywhere. Sorry. Oh, David, this is the Nasdaq futures. I saw that one, David. Yeah, let's see. Middle of the forehead. No. Okay, don't tattoo my guy. You way too late for that. Way too late. I got tattoos everywhere. You're not the first to suggest that. Just saying. Okay. Ignore the noise for a second. So slowly up, but now it's hit this resistance level. And it's not breaking past it. Let's check this. 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour went back to fill the gap and is slowly going up. I think the keyword here is just slowly. Bob, I'm not in a trade. Ethan, yeah, I was waiting for a comment like that. Solly, it's not gonna happen. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice, David, nice. those are the very most entertaining stories. I mean, theoretically in the long run this is not great either. But it does look like it's gonna pop on up. Ooh. Bob, I don't even know if I'm gonna trade today. Like I said, I might need to take 1 or 2 days of no trades just to fix the brain. That sounds bad, but you know, mentally I was hitting a bit of a block, a bit of a resistance level, if you will. Sorry, terrible joke. Anyways, so you know, sometimes just to take a break, you know, forward test a little bit, watch the charts, but not actually place a trade is not the worst thing to do. Ethan, how long am I going to be doing this live stream? What do you mean? Like, until what time? Or future-wise? Ooh, nice. That is amazing, David. Well done. Other David. Oh, damn, there's two Davids now. David Castillo. There we go. Patrick, you think look for the SSL sweep and then long soon. Okay, let's see. Like I said, on the 1 minute, it's not great. What do you mean? Okay, what do you mean? Have I tried stepping up after a loss? What do you mean by that? Damn, really? I know some people do that. Yeah. I know some people do that. Anyways. Okay, I'm gonna probably stay on just for another 10 minutes and then I'll probably call it there for today. I mean, either way today, there looks like there would have only been one proper trade for me and I was actually set up to be in a loss for it. Luckily, Marzia pointed out this one here. This would have been the only proper trade I could have taken today anyways. Damn, David Costello, holy moly, you had a great one. Love me some NQ. I mean, if you know how to read it, I think you're good to go. What strategy or what concepts do you use, David Castillo? Fabio, oh, you know what, they're good. They just chilling. Today, luckily, they can work because it's not so hot today. Got some cloud cover, finally. Ethan? Oh? Okay, you think a short is going to work. Why? Family moments. Hi. Again, guys, if you're enjoying... I don't want to say the trading right now. But if you're enjoying the company, rather... yeah, if you guys are enjoying it, if you guys wouldn't mind pressing that like button, that would be amazing. I don't really have one, David. Yeah, all of my tattoos actually have some meaning to them, believe it or not. I don't think I'll be able to. No, I won't be able to. Like, I have one on my leg of a black shoulder kite because I always saw them everywhere I went, and I used to drive people crazy because I'd always point them out and be like, oh, there's a black shoulder kite. Oh, there's a black shoulder kite. I got a tattoo of that. Yeah. I mean, If any, I don't even want to say I regret it because it sounds terrible, but I had a different idea for my back piece and the tattoo artist kind of convinced me out of it. And I regret that I went along with it. I should have held my ground and said, no, I like this idea. But I don't hate how it looks at all. It's just, it could have been a lot cooler. That's all. Full structure on break even when I have some breathing room and when I start to... Okay, so David, so all 15-minute trading, do you go to higher time frames for confirmation of structure or anything, or do you just literally stick to the 15-minute? Oh, cheers, Marzia. Yeah. Good call earlier, by the way, Marzia. Well done. Yeah, no, I won't do that. David, sis, that's terrible. Hilarity? Oh, my preferred pronouns? She, her? Yeah. Just get wild and plays 3 times your normal position short. Okay, what? Hey, Wolf Trader, yeah. Yeah, that's basically it. There's not... For me today, anyways, this isn't ideal. I know for some people, like I said, they're probably loving this. I'm not one of them. Cap, good morning. Sorry, I have hiccups. Okay, David, that makes sense. Nice, David. There we go. Okay. BD, like I said, my bias was kind of bullish, which means it's probably gonna go bearish, so yeah. Like I said, just do the opposite of what I've been thinking recently and you should be good as gold. Get it? Gold's being really good recent, no? Yeah, I think it's funny. Guys, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. We've got this. It's Wednesday. Really? Yay! Okay, cool. So maybe I'm correct. I know Kay thinks it's gonna go down. Thanks, Speedy. Yeah. Shocker midweek and still in the game. Hell yeah. We're here to fight another day. Oh, really? I mean, I guess that makes sense, obviously. Euro futures, but around use Google ads for YouTube. I did in the beginning, but I don't anymore. Yeah. Like I said, I think I didn't even run it for very long. Maybe a week, maybe even less than a week. But now it's all organic. David, same. And that's the problem. I also prefer, yeah. I prefer trends, not this. Okay, let's see. Thanks, Shocker. Okay, cool. So we got 3 out of 4 that think this is going to be going up. Anyone else? Who else thinks? Which way do we think this is going to go? Skibo consolidation before the next move. I mean, yeah, but what direction do you think the next move is going to be? Bull or bear? Okay. Ooh, I won't be able to now in time, Fabian, unfortunately. A list of words and phrases in one sense on YouTube. Ooh, okay. David, thank you. Oh, okay, so LP thinks the dump is over. We're going up the rest of the week. Literally, that was terrible, but thanks. Guys, okay, I'll give it a few more minutes. I want to see if this pops out of this in those last few minutes. I don't know if it will, though. Let's see, let's see. So this is ironically the trade I was looking at. This would be entry. I'm gonna keep this up because I want to see if it would have been a win. Hey, Barlin, yes it is. It is a trading channel. There's just not much trading going on today, sorry, but this is a trading channel. David, yes. Yeah, especially for now. So I don't know if you've heard all of this. But I've only been trading since April. I'm still new, and I kind of thought I want to rather get good at one asset before jumping around and potentially confusing myself. But yeah, so I've stuck with MNQ to be more specific. You know, save a little bit of capital. Okay, BD, let's see. What is this barcode? Only true trader, right? Mark are gonna shake off the China tariffs tweet in the Skibo. I love that. Paul Wickett, yes I am. Have I ever cheated before? Bernard? No, I haven't. Yeah, BD, this is... this just is, it is. Yeah, see, that's it. So I've only started to try play with partials. It's not bad, it's not bad. Oh, and an okay. No, no, don't log me in on that. I don't think cheating's right. No. Okay, stopped out at break even. That's okay though. That's okay. Break even's not bad. Cheating on exams? No, guys, damn. Like, you guys good. No, just study. Cheating with AI. Ethan, have I ever scraped my thigh before? I mean, yes. Yeah. I mean, I have a dent in my leg, and that's from a horse kicking me. Does that count? David, yes. On macro times, you mean the higher time frames, Patrick? Is that what you're asking? And then, I mean, there's a lot of people that believe that it's the next step. Damn, Sam, there we go. Oh. David. Damn. Okay. Damn, Sam, there we go. Ethan, maybe you should go to the hospital. Just a point of interest. I mean, touch wood. I've only had to go to the hospital once before. And it was because a dog bit me in the back of my head. So I needed to have stitches in the back of my head. Touch wood, that's the only time. Yeah. Yeah. There's a little fun fact for you guys to end this day. Wow. $500 donation for a louder damn Sam comment. Oh, thanks, Patrick. No. Clearly, I didn't even know what it was, so yes, that answered that. Yo. David, yeah, sounds like it was wild fun. David, I'm on prop. Sorry, other David. David C. I'm on. There's a David B and a David C. David C. I'm on prop. Okay, but I'm gonna leave this up. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna call it there for today, guys. Sorry, I know nothing happened, but it was actually really good mentally for me to just hop on here, breathe, watch the charts, and chat with you guys. So, thank you. David, I'm on top 1 futures. Yes. Go on, David. Do it. Jazz. No. Anyways. Moving on. I'm gonna... Aw! It would have been a win! Here we go. There's that push. Who called this? Someone called this was gonna happen now. Well done. There we go. Shocker, probably. Let's see what the plan is, but yeah, probably. I don't think for very long, but I'll hop on to say hi to you guys. Definitely. Okay. I love you guys. Amazing. Yep, Patrick. Nice. Thanks, Patrick. That was awesome. And BD. BD, didn't you also call this? Okay. Anyways, let me go. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being part of this journey and this little bit of a chill session, actually. I appreciated it. So, yeah, like I said, I love you guys madly. Thank you. I will be back. I don't know if I'm going to be on for the full session this evening. Let's see what life brings, but I love you guys madly. Have an amazing rest of the session. I hope it's a goodie. Okay, I hope it's a goodie.